To Glidex Forex Academy, and this is synthetic indices and my analysis on synthetic indices. I don't know why it is synthetic. Probably it was because it was synthesized from indices. All right, so let's get into it. And if you've not seen my analysis on currency pair euro card, okay, you should see it. Actually, I explained my view on euro card. Now this is synthetic indices. We want to see um, my view on synthetic indices, the volatility and the likes. All right, stay tuned. All right, so this is volatility 51s, and what am I looking at? This is a bearish run. You can see a bearish run from year to year, and you can see in between points there is a pullback. Now you can see price come into this level. Okay, this is a level of order. Into this other block, you can see price come into it. All right, and then rally to the upside, and then rally to the upside to clear this eye. Okay, liquidities are resting above this eye. All right, you see this, and you say this is a resistance. As a retail trader, you said, oh, this is resistance, and you want to start selling from this place only to get stop out. Okay, so now looking at it, you see price actually dip into this. Okay, creating series of low here. Okay, and also breaking it. Okay, so now what we want to see, I want to see price break this low. Actually, I want to see price. I'm actually really interested in this area. I'm really interested in this area. Okay, I want to see price come into this order block, into this bullish order block that took the liquidity above these eyes before the creation. Now a price created an imbalance here, so I want to see price come back. I want to see price come back into this order block, then taking this low, this very low. It's a lot, yeah, I know. Before taking this low, so this is a long-term setup, and price might not even come into this area. Okay, now let me look at 4-hour time frame. Look at 4-hour time frame. Okay, on 4-hour time frame, this happens to be a, some like you call it a bearish order block actually, but it is not strong enough to hold as a bearish order block for me, because this is a downtrend and it definitely will break a bearish order block if it is on a downtrend. All right, but then if it sustains it, I want to see price come into this level. All right, come into this level. It can dip into as far as this 4-hour bullish order block. Yeah, right here. Can dip into this. Okay, that is if it's old here, it can dip into this. All right, then from here we can sell to the downside. So step index. All right, then I took another on step index actually, but it caught me on breakout. Yeah, it caught me on breakout. I took the other. Yeah, I took a buy. Yeah, yes, I took a buy. Yeah, all right. So, but it came and I wanted it to break this high. I thought it would break this high, but it didn't. It just made another high and then came back. Now, much more confidence for me to know that this is a trap for the retailers. They are looking at a resistance. I'm like, oh, this is a resistance and all that and all that. Now, what I feel should happen is price should either come into this level, all right, and then sorry, and then come into this order block, all right, come into this breaker block rather, sorry, this is a breaker block. Come into this breaker block, all right, because the market structure was broken at this point. Market structure was broken at this point, all right. So I want to see price come into this breaker block. Some of my students understand what a breaker block is, so I want to see price come into this breaker block here. Yes, then before we have the opportunity to sell from here downward, and our stop loss will just be a little bit here like this, say 20, and yeah, and the stop loss will just be a little bit here. It's a potential profit of, we want to see take down this low with 182, yeah, 182. So man, that's a huge risk to reward. And something about forex trading is you have to be patient. You just have to be patient. Patience is part of the game. So if you're looking to catch the bigger fish, you just have to be patient. You have to be patient. And part of trading the forex, part of trading the financial market is not losing. Okay, if you're not losing, you're actually making profit. In that sense, you're not losing your capital, so you're making profit. You are being profitable. All right, so that is my view, all right, on what should happen to step index and volatility 50. Let me see, do I have something on volatility 100? This has been a long downtrend, and I would love to see it break this resistance. Yeah, okay, I'd love to see it break this resistance into this level, something like this, into this level, before we continue the before we continue the downtrend. All right, so we'll just be risking from here to here. Okay, we're risking from here to here in anticipation of a move down here to clear this low. All right, I didn't really delineate this because I don't really trade volatility 100. I do step index, volatility 50 and 100 1S, but 100 1S is currently on a long downtrend, which I'm actually expecting it to end anytime. So when it does, I would have might post a video on buying the retracement, because it's a long downtrend. Okay, that's taking this low. All right, so the retracement should come into a premium price to sell. Should come into a premium price to sell, either into an OTE level or a 78 level. All right, so the retracement should come into it before a further drop in price, I believe. All right, when I'm ready for the video, or when it's ready, when it has given me enough confluences to buy, I'm going to drop it. I'm going to drop the video, hopefully. So that is it. I hope you've learned something. In this video. See you next week on on weekly analysis. All right, thank you, and please subscribe and share. All right, share, and spread the news. Share and subscribe. Drop a comment if you want me to look into any of this PS, and if you're looking for my suggestion as to any of the volatility PS or currency, you can drop that in the currency section. I would definitely reply. We appreciate the feedback, actually. All right, thank you, and see you next week.